Good morning, Madam Chair. Good morning, Senator.
Dapat ko sponsor tayo nito.
Okay po,
So,
sir.
check mo nga sa kanila, ba't wala tayo?
Yes, sir. Sige po.
Dapat ko sponsor
I
tayo.
invited the Department of Agriculture. We're still awaiting the representative. Also with the DNR, awaiting the representative. From the Department of Science and Technology, Mr. Joel Norman Panganiban.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Department of Trade and Industry, Mr. Dennis Panga.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Department of Foreign Affairs, Director Maria Luela C. Duarte.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Bureau of Plant Industry, Department of Agriculture, Director Hermenegilda Labertan.
Good morning po, sir.
We also invited Ched and Paso, we're still awaiting their representatives. From the DBM, Department of Budget and Management, Ms. Sarina Cristia R. Alba.
Good morning po sa ating lahat.
Also invited the DBP, Land Bank, Mr. Edgardo C. De Guzman.
Magandang umaga po.
From the Union of Local Authorities of the Philippines, ULAP, Mr. Ren Presil M. Untalan.
Good morning, everyone.
From the Farmers Growers Organizations LGUs Group, Ms. Maria Rica C. Cabangon, President, Moringaling, Philippines. From the Moringaling also Foundation Incorporated, the founding chairperson, Ms. Bernadette Estrella Arellano.
Gandang umaga po.
From the College of Agriculture, Pangasinan State University, Dr. Oliver Caasi.
Magandang umaga po.
Mr. Rolando Nicole F. Estisme, the General Manager of the Philippine Moringa and More Corporation.
Good morning.
Dr. Estelita V. Uy, Director, Institute of Child Health and Human Development, National Institutes of Health, University of the Philippines.
Good morning po, everyone.
Ms. Genara Matsuoka, President, Japan Philippines Malunggay Eco Farm Incorporated.
Gandang umaga po.
From
Saan
the
ang Eco Farm?
Sa Pangasinan po,
okay. Madam Chair, we also have the
Idol.
presence of the
Idol yun, no? Idol.
Mr. Guido Bartolo of the Department of Trade and Industry.
Si Oliver Brancas.
This bill which we are presenting seeks to create a comprehensive framework for the planning, development, and promotion of moringa, a plant often referred to as miracle tree for its exceptional nutritional and medicinal properties. Moringa, known locally as malunggay, has been a part of our culinary and cultural heritage. It is a source of sustenance for many of our communities, particularly in rural areas, where it serves as a vital food source. However, the potential of moringa extends far beyond our borders. Its rich nutritional profile, which includes high level of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, position it as a superfood with significant market potential in the global health and wellness industry. The Moringa Bill aims to capitalize on this potential by establishing a structured approach to the development of the moringa industry. Through coordinated planning, research, and support for local farmers, this bill seeks to enhance the production and quality of moringa products. Furthermore, it will create a robust export promotion strategy, positioning our country as a leading supplier of moringa products in the international market. By fostering sustainable practices and providing the necessary support to our farmers and entrepreneurs, this bill has the potential to create jobs, boost rural income, and contribute to our overall economic growth. It is an opportunity to leverage our natural resources in a way that benefits not only our economy, but also the health and well-being of people around the world. There are studies that moringa will contribute greatly to the health and intelligence of Filipino children, which is the main problem of ours nowadays. And it will help produce children who will be intelligent and who will fulfill the hope of our country. Ang kasabihan nga, ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Kaya hopefully with Moringa product, magiging pag-asa nga ng bayan ang ating kabataan. Kaya today's public hearing is a crucial step in the legislative process. It is an opportunity to gather insights, address concerns, and refine the bill to ensure it meets the needs of all stakeholders. We are here to listen to your voices, to understand your perspective, and to work together towards a future where Moringa plays a significant role in our agriculture and economic landscape. We now want to hear a statement from our Senator Robin Hood Padilla.
Maraming salamat po sa aming ginagalang at minamahal at aming pong ina, Senator Cynthia Villar. Alam niyo po, ako po wala na pong masyadong paligoy-ligoy pa. Ako po endorser ng Moringa. At ako po talagang naniniwala dito. Katunayan, ito po yung isa sa mga matatawag nating matatandang mga masasabi nating gamot, food supplement, lahat na, nandito na po. Natatandaan ko pa yung lola ko, pagka sinasabi niya, kumuha ka ng malunggay doon. Talagang ano po yun talagang kasama sa ating pagiging Pilipino. Tayo po na-influensyahan lang siyempre ng mga multinational na mga pharmaceutical companies, kaya ganyan. Pero tayo po ay nagiging sobrang saya natin sapagkat ang ating pong senadora, pinalalakas po niya yung una, yung ating paniniwala. Pangalawa, ito kultura natin. Pangatlo, ito yung atin. Ano? At ito po yung mga dayuhang mga bansa, mga tinatawag natin progresibong bansa, sila pa yung mga nauuna na nagsasabi na maganda ito. Kaya sana po, ito po ay magtuloy-tuloy at alam ko po naman ang ating mga kasamang senador ay susuporta dito. Sapagkat sabi nga po nila, ito daw po may nagsasabing wonder food, may nagsasabing wonder drug. Pero para sa akin, isa lang ang totoo dito, atin ito. Kaya suportahan po natin. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Maraming salamat, Senator Robin Hood Padilla, for joining us and sharing your thoughts about Moringa. Magsasalita ba si Senator Amy online? So, we can now call on her.
Kanina ma'am dumating, nandun siya ma'am, let's check her presence.
Okay. So, we can go on now.
You can call on her ma'am. She's here.
May we recognize Senator Amy Marcos, one of the authors of the bill on Moringa, to say her piece.
Otherwise ma'am, let's proceed.
Oh, wala.
Nawala yan ang pamanansihan.
Nawala.
We will call later.
We will call her later. Baka hindi siya available ngayon. Anyway, we'll proceed with the hearing. Sino po ang unang magsasalita for this bill, opinion this bill? May we call on the government agencies. Unang-una ang Department of
Okay, ma'am. Bureau of Plant Industry.
Bureau Plant Industry.
Magandang umaga po sa mahal na Senadora.